healthy diet has been scientifically proven to provide numerous health benefits, such as reducing your risk of several chronic diseases and keeping your body healthy. However, making major changes to your diet can sometimes seem very overwhelming. Instead of making big changes, it may be better to start with a few smaller ones. This video discusses few small changes that can make a regular diet a little bit healthier. 1. Choose whole grain bread, not refined. You can easily make your diet a bit healthier by choosing whole grain bread in place of traditional refined grain bread. As opposed to refined grains, which have been linked to many health issues, whole grains have been linked to a variety of health benefits, including a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. They're also a good source of fiber, B vitamins, and several minerals, such as zinc, iron, magnesium, and manganese. 2. Bake or roast instead of grilling or frying. The way you prepare your food can drastically change its effects on your health. Grilling, broiling, frying, and deep frying are all popular methods of preparing meat and fish. However, during these types of cooking methods, several potentially toxic compounds are formed, such as polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. Healthier cooking methods include baking, broiling, simmering, slow cooking, poaching, pressure cooking, stewing, and sous vide. These methods do not promote the formation of these harmful compounds and thus make your food healthier. 3. Eat your fruits instead of drinking them. Fruits are very healthy. They are loaded with water, fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Because fruits contain fiber and various plant compounds, their sugars are generally digested very slowly and do not cause major spikes in blood sugar levels. However, the same does not apply for fruit juices. Many fruit juices aren't even made from real fruit, but rather concentrate and sugar. They may even contain as much sugar as a sugary soft drink. Even real fruit juices lack the fiber and chewing resistance provided by whole fruits. This makes fruit juice much more likely to spike your blood sugar levels. It also makes it way too easy to consume too much in one sitting. 4. Become more active. Good nutrition and exercise often go hand in hand. Exercise has been shown to improve your mood, as well as decrease feelings of depression, anxiety, and stress. These are the exact feelings that are most likely to contribute to emotional and binge eating. Aside from strengthening your muscles and bones, exercise may help you lose weight, decrease your energy levels, reduce your risk of chronic diseases, and improve your sleep. 6. Choose healthy oils. Unfortunately, highly processed seed and vegetable oils have become a household staple over the past few decades. Examples include soybean, cottonseed, sunflower, and canola oils. These oils are highly processed and high in omega-6 fatty acids, but deficient in omega-3s. Swap these unhealthy oils for healthier alternatives, such as extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.